I'm Yasmin, and I'm an application engineer for Shining 3D's Metrology and Einstar division. In this video, we will take a look at AESUB's various scanning sprays and how they can help you with your next 3D digitizing project. AESUB has a variety of scanning spray types, mainly determining the time in which you will take to scan your object, or if you want to retain its color with the texture scan. The process in which scanning spray dissipates is called sublimation. Sublimation is a process in which something in a solid state transforms to a gaseous state without going into a liquid state. This is great with AESUB scanning spray because as the spray sublimates, you don't have to worry about any condensation droplets creating water spots on the object which you're trying to scan. Now, when do we want to use scanning spray? Scanning spray is really helpful when scanning dark, glossy, shiny, or translucent objects. For example, our Einstar here uses infrared technology to capture data. The way 3D scanning works is that infrared light is being projected onto the surface of the object. Multiple cameras then capture the light, reflected from that object, and all of this information is sent to the computer. This is how a 3D rendered model of what you scanned is created. There are some limitations when it comes to 3D scanning and the data it can capture if the object is not prepared correctly. For instance, this model car, it has a glossy black finish, shiny chrome wheels, and a translucent windshield. The scanner's infrared light output would have a really tough time trying to really capture those features, so that's when we would use a scanning spray to help rectify that problem. The majority of AESUB scanning sprays go on as a mattifying white coat, creating a much easier read for our scanner. By the way, when you are spraying an object, make sure that your scanning spray has been thoroughly shaken and that you maintain a 15 to 20 centimeter distance when spraying to create a homogeneous coating, or else you might end up with a bad scan with excess noise. AESUB's blue spray will last for up to 4 hours. This is great for quick projects you don't have to spend too much time on, as the coating will sublimate fully in just those 4 hours. AESUB's orange scanning spray will sublimate in 12 to 24 hours, and this is good for a project that you will probably need to work on all day or come back in the next morning to finish. We also have AESUB's transparent spray, which is great to use on objects in which we want to retain the color in a texture scan. Since, well, it's transparent, this spray will last for up to 4 hours, much like AESUB's blue spray. Last but not least, we have AESUB's white spray, the permanent spray. This solution is more so for those really big and long-lasting projects. For instance, if this model car was an actual life-sized car, it'll take quite some time to scan. Maybe a week, maybe a month. Oh, and when we say that this AESUB is permanent, it may technically be permanent, but it will wash off completely with some warm water and a couple of towels. So in this video, we talked all about AESUB scanning spray, their different products, and how each type can benefit your more troubling scans. Scans that are very dark in color, reflective, or translucent in nature. To learn more about AESUB scanning spray, you can visit aesub.com, and to learn about the Einstar, visit einstar.com. Thanks for watching!